undesirable plastic. A blast heat like a blast to a gas ring. Just go. Some of those at the top, the switch turns. Call me Lois when the tune of his turns. And it just don't stop, yeah. Come on. And it just don't stop, yeah. Hey, everybody together, rock with us and it just don't stop. Come on.
Whatever we want, pay us back, but you know you own.
It don't stop.
We got the right to keep it funky, it just don't stop.
Brothers living increasing, lunch living up in this place just to watch women and it just don't stop. And then you get to it from a big get shot. Watch what you say instead of saying what you want. Don't stop. I'm committed to breaking the unprecedented. I won't spend it if it ain't a lesson and it don't stop. Getting sick of the bickering of my ears and such. Breaking lyrics and keep your ears in touch. It don't stop, yeah.
We don't have to stop.
Come on.
You just stay stupid and think
If it just don't stop, yeah.
Ain't got time to talk.
If you're feeling it, rock with us and it just don't stop. Come on.
We can whatever we want, pay us back, but you know you own.
It don't stop.
We got the right to keep it funky, will it dip out, just don't stop. Funky, hey, ooh.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you guys having fun tonight? Ladies and gentlemen, are you guys fans of good music tonight? This is a beautiful music festival. So do me a favor, ladies and gentlemen, if you can, if you got a drink in your hand, or if you don't got a drink in your hand, fake like you got one. Put that shit in the sky, let's make a toast to the Better Festival right about now. If you got a spliff, if you got a pipe, fuck it, whatever it is, put that shit in the sky right now, let's make it a toast. Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a toast to all of the people from Minnesota and far around who came to the festival today. Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a toast to all of the people in this crowd right now who love good music. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a toast to me and my band. We call Charlie Tuna and the House of Vibe, ladies and gentlemen. And if you're really here to have fun, this is a toast to you. All I gotta do is say, salute.